Hello, today I have this portable blender juicer. It is dead, it is not working. When I press it double, it shows a blue light, and after a few seconds blue light turn off. 2-click blue light, single click blue light off. That means it shows that this is functioning, but we see that our blade is not running. And one other thing, when I insert the charger pin, it turns LED red. Now it is visible that the LED is glowing. That means it is charging. So now I'm going to open this thing and see what I can do. It has 3 screws. Open them all. Okay, back cover is open. First we found a 18650 battery, a motor, circuit. And I think our problem is very simple. One of the cable of this motor is disconnected. So I think if we can solder this again, and our device will run again. So open this and solder this joint. In this circuit we see a 4 connection, 2 from battery and this one is connected to the motor, 1 cable, and here is another connection. You see M+, that means our cable is disconnected from here. Now we are going to solder it again. First I apply some solder paste here. It will help us to make a good solder. This is so hot. I just want to make a good solder joint. I think now it is okay. The wire is too thick and I use my 60 watt soldering iron. Not enough for this soldering. So now I will use my 100 watt soldering iron. Let's see, can I make a good solder joint? This joint is dry and not good solder joint. Absolutely, it's a bad good. My soldering iron is getting hot. Okay, now my iron is hot enough to do job. Yes, now you can say that it's a good solder joint. Okay, our soldering is done. Now I'm going to assemble it again. Okay, the board is in the red position. Battery will be here. Okay, let's go. Screw them again. Okay, we assembled it again. And now it's time to face the truth. Double click. Yes. And as you can see, it is working. Double click. Single click. It is working. We fix it. And now I will fill up some water and see is there any other problem in here like leaking liquid or anything else, and we will fix that too. So here you see I filled some water in it, and now I am going to run this. Okay, it is still okay. No water leak. Double click. Running. Single click top. Okay, now I'm going to put this green chili in this blender and try to blend it. Nothing. Okay, I think I have to reduce some water from the blender and try it again. There is not much water now. The water level is, I think, perfect. Check this. You see, it cannot blend. It just cut it half, nothing else. Okay, we're trying to do this again. Now, oh my god, it's blended the whole green chili except the stem of it. So I can say this blender is usable. How did you say? Nice. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.